Alright, the second method of preparation of alkenes is dehydration of alcohols. Dehydro means you will remove water from alcohols. Alcohols mean this. So alcohols, they are dehydrated in the presence of a catalyst and they will give alkenes. So the best procedure is to pass the vapors of alcohol. First of all, we will convert alcohol into vapor form, and then we will pass it over heated alumina, or you can say aluminium oxide. So this aluminium oxide will act as a catalyst, and we will pass the vapors of alcohol from over these aluminium oxide. The temperature which is required is almost 340 to 450 degree centigrade. Now let us see with the help of an example. Suppose here we have an alcohol and here we have aluminium oxide, the temperature of about 340 to 450 degree centigrade. Now this carbon will give its OH and this carbon will give its H, and it will become water. So one bond of both the carbons will become free, which will become the double bond. So this will be propene. So hydroxyl of one carbon and hydrogen of the other carbon will combine to form water, and the bond of both the carbons will become free and they will be joined by a double bond. So this is the preparation of alkenes using alcohols. So when the question is asked that prepare alkene from any alcohol, you can take the example of any alcohol, okay, of your choice. The more easier you want, you can quote the example, it will not be wrong. So when we pass vapors of alcohol over heated aluminum oxide, then it will give rise to alkene plus water. So this was propyl alcohol. So as a result, we will get propene plus water. Now let us see some more methods of preparation of alkenes.